Hey friends and fans, Ryan Dohrn here, your friendly neighborhood sales coach, and this week we're talking about referrals. Do you ask for them? Why not? Whether I earn business, whether I lose business, I'm always asking for a referral. Friends, there's nothing wrong, and it should be a part of your sales protocol. Come on, there's nothing better than a good referral. People ask me all the time, do people really give you referrals, even if they turned you down? The answer is yes, because they want to get you out of their office, or they want to get you off the Zoom call, or whatever the circumstance is. As a part of my sales process, whether I earn business, whether I lose business, I'm always asking for referrals. I feel like I'm a bit of a referral machine. Are you? Referrals, they are the spice of sales life. Nothing better than a good referral. Just make sure you're asking for them in every circumstance. Hey, whether you're at church, you're at the country club, out to dinner with folks, always be asking for referrals. Become a referral machine. I'm Ryan Dohrn. We'll see you next week. If I can be of help to you, reach out to me over at ryandohrn.com. Speaking at a lot of sales conferences coming in to motivate your teams. ryandohrn.com is the website. All right, friends, we'll see you next week. Never forget, if sales was easy, everybody be doing it. They're not. We're a little crazy. But this is a great job, right? It's going to feed your family for a lifetime.